Hey everybody, Lee Roth, Certified Master Instructor for the Dean King Training Institute. Normally I like to have a conversation with you and show you some new tools and show you some stuff, but today's a little different. I need to have a little bit more serious conversation with you, and that serious conversation is about electric and hybrid vehicles. I, for one, am IMI Level 2 electric and hybrid vehicle certified. Now, what does that mean to you? There are more and more hybrid and electric vehicles coming into our marketplace every day, every year, every new model. Manufacturers are releasing more and more. There's several manufacturers that are releasing upwards of 20 different models over the course of the next 5 years. There's a couple of European companies that are releasing all of their vehicles from now on will be hybrid or electric. So it's very, very important. Now, the reason why it's such a serious conversation is because a base model hybrid vehicle, and just take a Prius, for example, you know, something that's been in the market for several years. Everybody knows what the Toyota Prius is. That car has approximately 600 volts of electricity running through it. You take a full hybrid like a Tesla, those cars have 1,000 or more volts running through them. That is enough voltage to not give you a buzz, give you a little burn. That is enough voltage to kill you. And it's really important that we understand what it is we're getting involved with when we take on one of these jobs. It is absolutely vitally necessary for you to become IMI certified to work on that vehicle safely. You know, I've heard stories of somebody taking a hybrid vehicle into their shop and just disconnecting the control module from underneath the hood. Well, thinking that that powers the system down. Well, I'm sorry to say that that does not power the system down. The battery is still holding charge. There are specific manufacturer procedures for discharging that battery, which is what you learn, part of what you learn in this course. And that discharge is what makes the vehicle safe for you to work on. Just by removing the brain of the hybrid system doesn't discharge the batteries, and not only that, it can actually make the system more dangerous because you now have exposed connectors and exposed wires. So please don't do that. But it's real important that everybody starts learning about them, gaining knowledge, and the best way and the easiest way for you to do that is take the IMI course. We are actually very grateful and very happy to announce that we have an IMI course scheduled here at the Costa Mesa, California campus on July 20th that we are hosting in conjunction with Anson PDR and Vince D'Alessandro, that is the instructor on that. And he will be here teaching that class again on July 20th. It's approximately a 6 to 8 hour class, so plan on being here with us all day. The course is $650, all included in that course. And that majority of that money actually goes to register you with the system in Europe. This will allow you to safely, effectively, and legally be able to power these cars down and then power it back up, back for your customer. Please, in all seriousness, heed the warning, listen to what I'm saying, and take the course. It could save your life. Thank you very much. Good luck, and y'all take care.